Okay, it's a 5500 watt Honeywell generator. Just put oil in it. Just put gas in it. Put it on the first notch. Choke. Pull it on run. You want to pull this?
I'll do it. I'll do it. I want to do it.
Thank you. Alright. Turn it off. Thank you, ma'am. It's got handles.
Lower it up and do your hands like that. Go like a triangle. Almost. Go like that.
It's easy to start. That's good. That's all there is to it. 5500 watt Honeywell.